My name is Daniel, 22 years old. I'm from Marikina City, Philippines, and I have a business online. I started my transition 4 years ago. Matagal na, bata pa ako, I had a feeling na parang confused kasi syempre I'm feeling na parang hindi tama yung identify sa akin ng ibang mga tao. They're identifying me as female, and then I had a confusion that time to myself. Feeling ko kasi parang kakagusto ako sa girl. Actually, being a transgender, hindi siya choice eh. Ang transgender, they identify themselves as male. They were just in the women's body. Hindi rin naman ako nahihirapan for acceptance. Nasa sayo pa rin naman yun eh. It's how you educate yourself, your differences from other people. So, siguro normal na rin. Actually, hindi ako nahirapan mag-out sa kanila. Because, siguro habang nagsasama na lang kami, ay nakikita nila, I'm already expressing who I am, nagdadamit na ako ng ano. Kasi when you start transitioning, hindi ka lang nagtra-transition physically. And then your family is also starting to transition with you.
Hindi naman namin magagawang hindi siya i-accept, i-disown siya, di ba? Baka pag nag-against kami, baka lalong magrebelde. Diba, marami tayong nabalitaan ngayon na mga kabataan na may nangyari, na hindi na-accept, tapos papakamatay.
I remember when I was in grade 2 pa lang, parang nagpakalbo na ako noon. Nahihiya na ako pumasok. So, I needed to live as a female para ma-please yung mga tao. Yun. Pero, I never really feel comfortable, expressing as a girl or a female. Sa employment, when I was starting, medyo hindi ako comfortable. It's hard to explain yourself at first eh. Maraming time na nararamdaman ko na I'm different sa society. Kaya nga, before I even transition, mas gusto ko yung ako lang mag-isa. Hindi ako masyadong outgoing, hindi ako masyadong lumalabas. Although, kasi nung nag-start na ako mag-transition, I became more comfortable with myself. Mas gusto ko nang ngayon lumabas kasi, syempre, outside, mas komportable na ako sino ako. Okay naman ako, masaya ako where I am right now, pero I'm still striving to do something. Mas hinahanap yung purpose mo, why you're here. Ito siguro yung, something I love to do, kaya I went back to the advocacy. Kasi parang marami rin ako nakakausap na mga katulad ko na may problema. Then something urged me na parang meron pa akong magagawa in the future. That's why I came back to doing this. Pinaka-focus ko muna is to complete my transition. And of course, naka-focus din ako sa business. At the same time, to have a family in the future. Wala na akong hilingin pa, yun lang yung gusto kong ma-accomplish.